We run.
All right, guys. Today we are going to be shooting the G5 Dirty Bird. We built out arrows with our tomfoolery wraps. Go pick you some up. This is a 4-fletched. It is 2.75 tack vanes, 250 spine, Easton arrow.
Coming out of like 508. Yeah,
508 grains. So we are sighted in for these. I was gonna run my ARC 34. That was not gonna work, and I didn't feel like going through the process of changing mods and everything for it. So we're just gonna run the Lift X.
The old Lift.
Turkey bow now. All right, we're paper tuned. We're ready to shoot these things, bro. You ready?
Let them fly.
Let's go do it.
Let's get it.
But Zach has hung our makeshift turkey down there.
Good old thunder chicken.
We're gonna shoot the G5s here at this 15.
Yep, this 15 right
15
here.
yards.
Yes, sir.
Chris B says it's good. It's good.
Send it. Wind stop for you too. Yeah, for just a second.
Wait
Come on,
for
now.
it.
Come on. There it goes. It just gives you a hint. It just flashes
Come
a little
on,
bit
man.
and it goes on.
Well, we're just gonna have to practice holding the draw.
Oh, yeah. I think you might have
I think I was just a touch right.
got a little tape maybe. It might have grabbed it just a little.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Oh, yeah. You did cut some tape there.
I love how it just pulls out of there.
Oh, it's solid.
Nice.
Save that for later.
All right, let's see what you got, buddy.
All right. Come on back.
Now.
I waited too long. But I'll take it anyways.
Pretty much same spot.
Pretty much same spot. If it would turn just a little more, we'd have tore that tape up.
All right, so smack on at 15.
Yeah, it's almost a direct same spot.
Like a what? Inch right, maybe.
Yeah.
Every time I think it's gonna.
That wind, brother. No, I'll start calling him. Give me a minute.
I smoked it.
You did too. It's right there.
Yeah. Look at that, buddy.
Right there. Oh, yeah.
It don't get no better than that.
No, sir.
Snuck it right behind the tape.
Right behind him.
Smoked it.
Smoked him. Man, I love the noise they make too. Tell you right now, if you're on the other side of that, hear it coming at you, you're gonna want to move. Sounds mean.
All right. I think all in all, man, that's a pretty solid design.
For sure, man.
I'm excited to go. Turkey season opening day is Saturday.
Saturday, man. Saturday. We're going to get
2
an early
days.
start at it.
2 days, so
Yep.
we're hoping to get a couple. Well, we got 2 tags apiece.
2 tags, yes sir.
Maybe we could put 4 of them on the ground.
Hey, that'd be nice.
We don't have enough broadheads for that.
No, we ain't got enough day neither. Ain't it a bird a day in Kentucky?
Yeah.
Yep. So Saturday, Sunday, maybe get the job done.
Oh, you get off at 5:30.
Yeah.
I'm leaving early to go turkey hunting.
That's true.
All right. Thanks for watching. Chris B and G5 made a
Awesome, man. Awesome
Slick.
setup.
slick broadhead. So we're excited to run it, and hopefully we get some turkeys on camera.
Most definitely.
Y'all stay blessed.
God bless.